If you're seeing an itch.io graphics error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get your game running again without wasting time. Graphics errors can happen for a few different reasons, but the good news is that most of them are easy to solve with a few simple checks. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. The first thing you should do is restart your PC. It sounds basic, but a full restart can clear temporary system issues, refresh drivers, and fix small glitches that may be causing the itch.io graphics error. After the restart, try launching the game again and see if the issue is gone. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is whether your PC actually supports the game's requirements. Some itch.io games are made by indie developers and may need certain graphics support, enough memory, or a compatible operating system. If your hardware is below the minimum requirements, the game may not open correctly or may throw a graphics error right away. So take a moment to compare your system specs with the game's listed requirements before going any further. Now, if the game still won't launch properly, try running it in Compatibility Mode. This can help older games or games built for different versions of Windows work more smoothly on your system. To do that, find the game file, right-click it, open Properties, and look for the Compatibility tab. From there, enable Compatibility Mode and choose the version of Windows that seems most appropriate for the game. Apply the changes, then launch it again and check whether the graphics issue is fixed. Another very important fix is to run the game as an administrator. Sometimes the game needs extra permission to access files, graphics resources, or system settings. To do this, right-click the game and select Run as Administrator. If that solves the issue, you may also want to set it so it always runs with admin permissions, especially if you plan to play it often. If the game opens but the graphics still look broken, laggy, or unstable, lower the in-game graphics settings. This step only works if the game launches far enough for you to reach the settings menu, but if it does, reduce options like resolution, texture quality, shadows, effects, and full screen settings. Lowering these settings can make the game easier for your system to handle and may eliminate the graphics error entirely. At this point, if the issue is still happening, it may also help to update your graphics drivers, close background apps, or reinstall the game from scratch. But in most cases, the combination of restarting your PC, checking requirements, using Compatibility Mode, running as administrator, and lowering graphics settings will solve the problem quickly. So let's recap the main steps. First, restart your PC. Second, make sure your computer meets the game requirements. Third, try Compatibility Mode. Fourth, right-click the game and run it as administrator. And fifth, lower the graphics settings if the game opens. These simple steps can fix a lot of common itch.io graphics errors without needing advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy gaming and software fixes. And if you're still stuck, leave a comment below with the exact error message and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.